What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Matt's Market. How y'all doing tonight, man? We'll be covering some Bitcoin. We'll be talking about some ADA, Dogecoin, Shiba, going over the markets, man, because we had a pretty good run up on Bitcoin today. Touch base on XRP, where we might see that heading in the near term future. How's everybody doing tonight? What's up, Daniel? What's up, Crypto Prophet? Appreciate y'all tuning in. See Clown Baby. What's happening? Ant S, Andre P, Win Moon. Good to see y'all in the chat tonight, man. What's up, Just Bum? How y'all doing tonight? I'll give everybody a few minutes to hop on in here. And then we'll be rocking, man. So Shiba today up 14.44%. Looking pretty good, guys. I upped my stop loss on that to right around 29.50. And I'm going to leave it there for the time being. It might trigger tonight. We'll see, but it's having a pretty good level right now. And Bitcoin. Bitcoin's looking pretty good for the short term right now. Hitting a pretty good high today. Only 12%, roughly 12% away from its all-time high. So things are definitely spicing up for the markets come October. Pretty much Pumptober. Everything's getting right back on track, guys. So I'm getting super excited for all the action that's going to continue here in October. And I think it's going to rear up to be a very nice month, guys. What's up, Andy Kimmel? What's up, Mr. Cedric? How you doing, man? I know I'm hopping on a little bit later than usual, guys, but I had a lot going on. Sorry about no streaming last night. I was absolutely really tired, man. It's been rough, doing these streams, every single night, but I try to hop on here to give y'all guys some energy. Y'all can tell by my last video, man, I was not feeling it, and so I skipped last night because I want to give you guys 100% of my effort and my energy to keep people positive, especially on Dogecoin, because we're seeing it down 3.82% today. I know a majority of my favorite crypto is Dogecoin, according to and a bunch of other people that hang out here in our community. And it really sucks to see ADA down as much as it is, $2.12. So I'm really hoping to see a pretty good pop on both those cryptos tomorrow. We even got Litecoin down 2.75%. So it's like, Bitcoin is rocking, Shiba's rocking. We even got Jasmine Coin. When Mr. Rick shows up, man, Jasmine Coin's rocking 55%. We purchased some the other night, and we're sitting absolutely fat on that play if you played it with us. So once again, shout out to Mr. Rick for throwing us that Jasmine Coin play right before it blew up. Check the chat. Doge needs to get above that 200. Yeah, we're gonna touch base on support and resistance here in a minute. Let me get some stuff pulled up. Let me test this. I put some commands in the chat. I just need to test them. I never tested them live, so hopefully they work. Whoa. I got the command set to the wrong one. Streambot's messing with me. Yeah, you're 100% right, Andre P. Got to rest sometimes, man. You have to. What's up, Zach? Just Bum is in the chat, man. Good to see you, my friend. Good to see you, Just Bum. Win move. Hey, man, that was not supposed to do that, man. That was a fluke, my dude. Doge was supposed to have a really cool redeem, not the FOMO, man. I have no idea why it did that. Oh my god. So stupid, man. Alright, let me get this pulled up and then we'll get rocking, guys. Wayne Moon, thank you for tuning in to another episode of Mass Market. Good to see you in the chat, my friend. Always a pleasure, my dude. I gotta set it up, Moon. I worked on a few of them last night. Let's see if this one works. He'll probably play the FOMO one. It plays the same one, man. All right, so my stuff's broken. Apparently, I had a bunch of cool gifts, but they're not working, man. I wish I could do the AMC song, man. I would have 100% play it for you, but it's probably copyrighted. Give me 1 second, Cedric. Yeah, I definitely had it too high. Sorry about that, man, my man. What's up, Adam? Yeah, I was messing around with Discord last night. I had it super loud. I think I might have it too low now. Let me see. That's what happens when you take a night off, guys. You get all your settings messed up, and then you all messed up from that point on, man. So, looking at the charts, right now on Dogecoin, we're having pretty good support right around 22.59. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that for us for a pattern we can watch for tomorrow to see if we actually hold it and start to look up from this point. Let's call it 22.60 right here. We did hit 2249 earlier today, but we briefly went underneath this, and you can tell this is a strong level of support indicated by the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 touch points you got right here. Even more if you go further back. So a drop below that, we could see some more bearish indicators in the chart. Looks like we're getting a retest right now. So we'll keep a close eye on that. Bitcoin having a really hard sell-off too as we speak. It was making some higher lows, but we just broke that uptrend just now. So we're having some pretty good sell-off on Bitcoin, back to 56,810. I was really hoping to see it stay above 57. Only 12% off from the all-time high. So it's looking good. It's looking good for the month of October. We're up 30% overall. Market's up overall. So, we've been hanging around that 2 trillion mark for a while. Finally bumped above it, and everything's looking to finish off the month of October pretty decent. As you all know, we're still waiting on the news from Tesla, which I think will be the biggest catalyst left for the year, for them accepting Dogecoin, accepting Bitcoin, and really pushing the market over the edge. So we're still waiting on that news. XRP started to make a run the other day, but now seeing some retracement. Maybe we'll do a better job for all you XRP holders out there. If you look in the swing trade, I knew it was probably going to end up retracing from the high from 115, 116. It hit back to around the one. I was thinking 110 to 112 range, and it's pretty much within that range. So we'll do a better job for all you swing traders out there, especially with Ethereum too. Ethereum was rocking 36 something, and now we're looking at 34. Litecoin's pretty pretty down too as well. 174 was hitting that 180 mark pretty well. So we are seeing a sell-off across the market. Are you getting FOMO in the SHIB? Are you getting Bitcoin, people buying Bitcoin? Quite possibly. But I think institutions are about to start pouring money into the market. It could start as early as tomorrow. You never know. It's been absolutely crazy, the whole crypto space, but lots of talks of lots of whales looking to buy into the market right now. So we'll be seeing what happens in the next couple days to see if we can really get another good push, pushing everything in the right direction. But for all you Shiba holders out there, as you know, I've been swing trading Shiba. I bought it 23 23.50, sold at 3000 the first time, bought again at 23.30, and now I'm currently sitting on some pretty good profits right now. But I'm currently waiting. I have a stop loss limit for tonight set at 2950. If it triggers, I'll be happy. I made my tendies. I'm out the gate. So we'll have to see what happens, man. I'm still bullish on Shiba. It could definitely have a great day tomorrow. I'm just really hoping to see ADA turn around. ADA down another % since we started the live stream just a couple minutes ago. So even Doge is starting to take a little hit right here too. So we'll keep an eye on everything. What's up, BD? Hey, thanks, man. Yeah, we hit that Shiba trade pretty good, man. Also, man, this one of our subscribers, our members over here, man, called out Dogecoin. I don't know if you've been keeping an eye on it. Let me pull it up real quick. The only problem I got with Jasmine, man, is I didn't buy more. Rick called a damn good play on that. Dogecoin. So taking a little beating as of the past 30 minutes. It was up 33.44% earlier. Earlier it was a high of 50% up on the day. And I was thinking about selling. I probably should have offloaded some right there. So I'm gonna watch it, see if we creep back up. But Dogecoin on the 1 year was as high as $4. So definitely some room to go back up for another pump. So we'll be keeping an eye on it. But I got in 2 nights ago. Been sitting on some pretty nice profits so far. So everything's been looking pretty freaking decent on the Dogecoin, guys. Let me get this pulled up. Hey, Bulldog, man, I don't know what I did, but any redeem, just the FOMO with the Titanic pops up. So I'm gonna have to mess with that when I get off. I'm sure it's something I did on my end. At least the FOMO works, though. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm trying to get this article pulled up. So more selling pressure on Bitcoin right here, 56,758. Dogecoin 2254. I'm looking for a pop right back above that level of support we just broke. Get this pulled up. Yeah, Rick called out Jasmine, dude. What's up, Alex? How you doing, my friend? Getting everything set back up, guys. Sorry about that. It works, but watch what plays, man. What's up, Shape? How you doing, man? I bought some 2 at 0.47. Should have bought more. What's up, Seth? How you doing, my dude? Good to see you in the chat, dude. What's up, Wise TV? Everybody give it up for Wise TV. Welcome to Mass Market, my dude. If you could hit that subscribe button for us, we would greatly appreciate it. You got any questions, Wise? Let me know. So Bitcoin basically extended its 2-week rally Monday, climbing to its highest level since May, according to Coinmetrics. The cryptocurrency last traded more than 3% higher at 57,530 after hitting an all-time high since May of 57,000. 740. So Bitcoin's on the comeback. Yeah, we're seeing some sell-off from this run-up today, but very important level to look at is 53,000 on Bitcoin. That was that technical breakout level, which hence brought us to the level that we're actually trading at now. And I know some of the altcoins such as Doge and ADA are lagging behind. Even XRP saw a little run-up the other day by itself. Even Ethereum tends to lag behind quite a little bit. So we're just waiting for a nice pump on all these altcoins right now. Basically waiting for them to catch up. And they will. I'm not worried about it in the least bit. Just kind of giving us a little bit longer time frame to kind of load the boat before we start to really rock. Bitcoin's going to fluctuate, I think, next couple days, anywhere between 54 and 57. I mean, we could easily start to break that 57 level and work our way up, being that we're only 12% away from the all-time high. You also have to keep that in mind right now. So the comeback, 12% gain would take us back to the all-time high of 65,000. Comes amid increasing hopes that expectations that Bitcoin future ETFs could be approved soon. That would be a very, very big catalyst for Bitcoin in itself. Right now, they do have some type of, it's not really an ETF, but you can basically buy into these funds that have Bitcoin on their balance sheets. So it's working its way through the process. The real strong future ETFs will be approved very, very shortly, I do believe. And that along with recent comments from the head of the Federal Reserve and SEC Commission that they have no intentions on banning Bitcoin seemed to really comfort the market per se. I think that's all leading up to why you're seeing these pumps right here, which correlates to what we're thinking for the end of the year, seeing Bitcoin over 100K. Me personally, I think it's going to take, if we start creeping back to that 60 level, and then per se, you get a little tweet from Elon saying, hey man, we're going to actually accept Bitcoin and Dogecoin or whatever cryptocurrency they throw out there for Tesla. That's a major catalyst in itself that's going to, start taking everything over the top, guys. So I could not be more excited to hold cryptocurrency right now at this very moment. I think we have a great time left in the market between now and December, and I think it's going to be very good. Now, that's not to say we're not going to have bumps along the way. A flash crash is still something very much to have in your mind right now, especially if you're holding Shiba. Because I'm gonna be completely honest with you, I am investing in Shiba right now, but Shiba is extremely risky play overall. I mean, you can see it drop 30% one day, rise 30%. It's very volatile right now. So if you are swing trading Shiba, and like for what I said earlier, I have a stop loss at 29.50. If it triggers, great. I made 10 days, I'm out. I'll buy the dip on it. I'm not losing sleep over it. I didn't put more than what I can invest in it. I'm willing to lose whatever I have in it. So it's good to go, man. It's nothing but good time. Same with Jasmine. Like Jasmine, I could have sold up 50%, 10 minutes before I hopped on the stream. Now we lost 15-20%. It's okay because Rick gave us the play. I'm gonna hang on to it for a little bit longer, see what it does, but never be afraid to take profits, my friends, if you're holding on to your plays. Also, do you know a quick way to exchange BNB for BSC? I do not, my friend. Wait, Moon says cooking bacon. What's up, Critter? How you doing, my friend? Lollipop 245. Welcome to the channel, my friend. Good to see you again. Evergrow is effing mooning. See what you rapping about. Evergrow coin. Evergrow coin is a deflationary token designed to become more scarce over time. All holders of EGC will earn 8% reward from the buy-sell transitions in USDT. 3% from every buy to sell transaction is sent to buyback wallet, while 2% is transferred to a liquidity pool for PancakeSwap to create a stable price floor. Let's pull up the chart. Whoa, you ain't lying, dude. Evergrow coin is up 101.8%. Wow. Is this? Yeah, that's sitting at an all-time high, guys. That's gonna go on my watch list, definitely. Wow, that thing is mooning. I don't know nothing about it. Like, there's so many coins on that BNB pancake swap. I'd be careful 100% with the FOMO on that thing. Let me catch back up with the chat. Matt, this is a futures ETF. Big difference from the actual Bitcoin ETF because the futures ETF won't actually hold Bitcoin and affects supply. Oh, I got you. Yeah. An actual ETF is going to take Bitcoin at 300,000. That's coming too, though, my friend. America is tired of the US dollar. I'm holding my crypto, man. There's the man, Mr. Rick. Mr. Slick Rick. The dude who gave us the Jasmine play. Rick, I have to know, man. Are you still holding your Jasmine or what? I have to know, my friend. Bulldog says, got into Evergrow a few days ago. Hopefully you loaded the boat, man. So BD, do you think Evergrow is finished with? Or do you think it'll be one of those like 200-300% runners? I'm gonna keep it on my watch list. I just like to be careful and FOMO into something I already ran 100%. That's how you get stuck holding the bag, man. That's all I'm concerned about. Yes, I have it. Jasmine. Awesome, dude. I really appreciate you throwing that out there, Rick, man. I made some pretty good tendies off Jasmine coin, man. I cannot complain, my friend. Let me pull up this article. Robinhood stock news. I think Evergrow has another couple 100% to go, but is only available on Pancake Swap. Yeah, I was reading that. That's so that's a little process. It ain't impossible to buy, but them damn Pancake Swaps are, you know, you gotta navigate through all that. Like that Safe Moon when it first came out, dude. That was a, you know what to buy, dude. That was a pain in the butt. Come on. What up, Bear? What's up, D-Grade? How y'all doing, man? We are good, my friend. So, guys, I know y'all heard about the little story about Robinhood. A lot of investors are extremely concerned about what the SEC chairman actually came out and said about, you know, possibly banning payment for order flow, which I did a video a long time ago about how, you know, Citadel was using Robinhood, Webull, E-Trade, all the main retail investor platforms were using payment for order flow through Citadel. And, you know, I kind of, you know, touch base on what my thoughts were about, what was going on with that whole situation. Well, payment for order flow is basically like up to, good majority, I think anywhere between 70 and 80%. I don't know the exact number, but it's somewhere within that range of Robinhood's overall income throughout the year. The SEC came out and said, hey, basically what we're going to do is we're going to look at, basically banning away payment for order flow, which, when we cross that threshold, we'll have to see how that really affects us. But that's going to affect the crypto that you actually hold on Robinhood too. There's a trading firm called Apex Crypto, which if you ever get an email when you buy and sell crypto on Robinhood, you can go back in your email link to your Robinhood account, and it always has Apex Crypto pretty much execute that order for you. Now, a lot of people are really bearish on Robinhood with this news, because if this news could come out, it could potentially, in my opinion, cripple the company. So if you're holding your crypto there, they'll have to make arrangements somehow to, we'll probably see wallets come out. Just if you're holding anything on Robinhood, just be paying very close attention to it. In my opinion, that if something were to happen, you are secure, because even though we're a couple months away from it, you might start seeing a windfall right before the news really breaks. You know how these whales do. They get insider trader information on you. I don't think Robinhood will completely fail. It's just I'm concerned, like I'm holding some Dogecoin, some crypto on Robinhood, that I'm really hoping the wallets get released soon so I can take out of there. To me, I don't know. Robinhood just seems kind of like a little dumpster fire going on, and I just want to be prepared for anything that might happen. So a looming share sale by early Robinhood market investors and tightening regulatory environmental for cryptocurrencies are adding to the headwinds in the stock market for the darling of the U.S. retail trading mania. Falling interest in the stock by amateurs as they headed back to the office already put pressure on the Robinhood stock, which has plummeted 41% from its August peak versus a 1.8% drop to the NASDAQ 100 index. That's coinciding with a rise of sports betting apps downloaded in the U.S. And a bunch of different variables that roll into that. We can't help but wonder if the combustion of the end of benefits, the return to work, and the return to live action sports are all conspiring to hurt the 3R retail Robinhood Reddit brigade. So they go on to talk about, let me see. Robinhood app downloads have fell 78% in the third quarter compared with the second. So JP Morgan Chase & Co. analyst said last month, citing tracking data from Apptopia, that compared to a drop about 50% for Binance, Coinbase, and other crypto apps that also rode the retail trading trend. So it's definitely a downtrend in the amount of people actually downloading these crypto apps. So that could correlate with the price of Dogecoin, most definitely. Price of ADA. ADA is getting smacked around right now. Down 5.95% for tonight. Dogecoin 4.87. And Bitcoin's to blame. It's like we're not following on the way up right now, but we'll follow it on the way down, which is really, really crappy situation if you are holding. But I'm expecting a pretty good bounce here at some point this week. We're in a bit of a downtrend now, though. Let me pull up let's check the 4-hour chart to give a real confirmation. So when in doubt, zoom out. 4-hour chart does not look bad at all. Retest of that 14-day moving average at 55.994 would be the possible bounce point that we're actually looking for before we continue this uptrend that we are currently following right now, guys. So it's when in doubt, zoom out. It still looks pretty good on the Bitcoin side of things. Pull up the 5-minute chart. Get over here and pop the 4-hour chart. Doge not looking so hot. Kind of hit that high 27 and then kind of fell out. We're looking for support right here. If we can find it within this range, or maybe in the 22-cent range, and look to trade sideways for a little bit. Let Bitcoin start to heat up. Last time we were seeing Bitcoin at these levels, Dogecoin was significantly higher. And I'm still expecting some pretty good moves for the rest of the year. We're just currently waiting on that. Waiting on the moves right now for the altcoins, guys. I saw that in the Discord, Bear. I saw you grab some puts. Now, what was it you were saying that you couldn't sell them for 30 days or something? Hey, man, have you looked at ACA Alchemy Pay? It looks like it's going to start to make a move from 6 to the 40-cent range. Let's check it out, man. Isn't that what it did the first time when it got listed on Coinbase? I know it made some pretty decent moves to 5 cents to, I think it was 27. Alchemy Pay. Taking a pretty hard sell-off right now. Oh no, that was earlier. Okay, the chart just updated. It's down 1.54% on the day, currently trading at 6 cents. Yeah, all-time high was 16 cents back in August. And man, I saw that thing right before it ripped out too, man. I was looking at it. I never capitalized on it. Rick, are you currently in this play or what, man? Let me know. Bro, check out Blocktopia. That project looked bang. What's up, Con? Blocktopia. I like Alchemy Pay, Rick. I do. I think it's a pretty good buy at the current price it's at, man. I might look to put me a little bit. I might take tendies off of Jasmine and maybe throw something in Alchemy Pay. That's kind of my thought process right now. I'll let you know in the Discord what I end up doing. I'm not going to do that live. That's going to take a little bit more in-depth research for me than I want to do on the live stream. Pull it up. Sorry guys, I got a text message real quick. Blocktopia. Let's check it out, man. Up 38.70% today. We did have some movers. Check it out. Let's see what we're looking at here, man. Soft cap to be announced. Fundraising goal to be announced. Percent of total supply, 1%. When did this thing get released, man? On the 6th of October. So just a couple days ago. Man, do you have a position in this? Con? Currently sitting at 1 cent. Blocktopia USD chart. Yes, but looking to get a bigger position at ACH. I hear you, man. I'll probably join you on that ride, to tell you the truth, man. I'll probably go ahead and pick me up some Alchemy Pay. But like I said, I might take tennies off of Jasmine. If it get, I was looking at it at 50% up. Earlier, I was like, man, this thing might not stop. It's back at 34% up. Bitcoin goes up, altcoins go down. Bitcoin goes down, altcoins go down harder. Hey, Clown Baby, that seems to be the trend we're seeing right now. Doge down 5.21%, 2238 right now. Hit a low of 2224. Man, ADA just keeps, when you think it can't get any cheaper, man, ADA is freaking getting cheap, guys. I'm more on the bandwagon of like looking at an app from crypto, Kraken, or one of them platforms. Coinbase is good, don't get me wrong, but Bulldog really told me about the Kraken news. Like for the swing trading type account, they don't take as nearly as much as what these other platforms are. You know, I'm more sold on Kraken. I'm about to move quite a bit of funds to Kraken. That way I can really start doing some damage in the swing trading market. But as of right now, 56.5 right here. I thought we were about to get a pretty good move on Bitcoin, but didn't happen. It's got heavy backers. Check out their website. I'm just cautious, man. Where do you even purchase this at? If you would like to know where to buy Jasmine, the top exchanges. No, it's Jasmine. Looking at Blocktopia. Trying to see where you can buy this thing at, man. Block to USD converter. I'm sure you could probably get it on KuCoin. Just be careful with that, man. They do have a lot of tokens out. I'm not saying it'll. Yeah, you can get it on KuCoin. You 100% can get it on KuCoin. Let's see what you're saying. Rick says D-grade. Yeah, Robinhood is a train wreck. They can they're taking real slow with the wallets, expecting a mass exit, I think. Yeah, I agree with that, man. Especially if the SEC would actually do that for payment for order flow. That's going to disrupt the whole way retail investors trade. I think it'd be a good thing. Quite honestly, I think it'd be the best thing to happen to the market, but then you'll have to go back to the old ways of trading. So, yeah, I just looked it up, D-Grade. I just confirmed it. You can get it on KuCoin. What's up, Ben Cadillac? Rick says, like you, I think taking attendees off of Jasmine is always a good thing. Yes, my friend, I'll be at some point. I'm seeing where it goes. It's sitting up 34%. It was a little bit higher than what I just looked at. It was at 55% right before I started the stream. Had a little sell off, but I'm gonna hold tight, man. I'm gonna hang tight for a minute. I am possibly thinking about taking those attendees off of Jasmine and pumping those into Alchemy Pay. And ride that train with you too, my friend. You called it good on Jasmine, so I'll take your advice on Alchemy. I did miss the original train on Alchemy, and the thing that was crazy about it, the day it got listed on Coinbase, I did an interview with this guy, Chris's World, and we looked at the coin that night, and the next day it absolutely ripped a couple 100%. So it could definitely be primed and ready to go a couple more 100%. So we'll be keeping an eye on it. Kraken, Marco, Kraken. Also KuCoin. I got KuCoin. I'll probably just stick with KuCoin, but I was looking into Kraken. I think I'm gonna download me one regardless and get that thing rocking, man. Jasmine, when it hits top, it will retrace, but should keep pumping. Should keep pumping dump coin. Yeah, wherever you found Jasmine coin, man, you got some good information, dude. Because the night before you told us about it, that thing absolutely took off, man. It freaking exploded. That was a very good call, man. Very, very good call. All right, let me pull this up real quick. I got too many browsers open right here. So, any news about Dogecoin is completely drowned by the fact that Shiba's up 13% today. Dogecoin knockoff. Shiba coin's up 1,000% today. A new Dogecoin crypto to Shiba Inu knockoff cryptocurrency Shiba has skyrocketed more than 1,000% over 24 hours, leading to press time at night. Shiba X is up 1,049.73% during the last 24 hours, trading at 4148. It's actually, hold on. Okay, I had to check something. Not marketing it just might explode. Oh, dude, we're gonna keep my eye on it, man. Blocktopia, I got you, bro. MNF going overtime. They do have some pretty good runners today. I've heard you talk about Kuma. I've heard quite a few people bring up Kuma before. I never personally played it, but I've heard great things about it. We got Mr. Nola. Nola TN is in the chat. Welcome back, my friend. I haven't heard from you since the hurricane, man. I hope you're sitting tight down there, my friend. Good to see you, man. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Mass Market Nola TN. Yeah, D Gray, get you some sleep, my dude. Trying to pull up these articles on the Doge. On the Doge. I don't get this hold on. I'm trying to find this. Here it is. So that's what they're talking about. Shiba X. This thing is up 600%. Got released today. Wow. Crypto.com sponsored eToro X. So this is what they're saying is really taking the steam out of Doge today. Shiba X. So I'll be keeping that on my radar too as well. See if this is like a little pump and dump scheme. But Shiba X, guys. Kuma Inu. It could happen, brother. Kuma Inu. Up 57% today. Man, they had some rockers today, man. Wow. This might be the pump for it though. If you're holding this, I would look to sell up here. It's like it's having this little pump. I mean, it could go higher, don't get me wrong. Very cool, man. I got a bunch of ones to add to my list. 100%. Nola TN, only the best for you, my friend. Yeah, Clown Baby, I'm a little bit surprised too as well, man. You know, with Bitcoin ripping, I think it's going to get to a point where it stabilizes and the altcoins are going to play catch up at that point. I mean, we're seeing a lot of these coins. I mean, just a lot of the BS coins out of like Sheep X up 600% today. Like we're seeing a lot of, you know, coins a lot of people haven't heard about start pumping. Like I seen someone earlier was like, what's Jasmine? Mr. Rick Cogswell brought it to the table the other night, and I actually bought some on the live stream. I'm glad I did. I never knew what Jasmine was. How many cryptocurrencies? Let me see. There's 7,800 cryptos, and new ones created every day. So to keep up with everyone is absolutely insane. BITF can't break that 550 wall. Got rejected again today, but still finished green. Clown Baby, are you back in the green on BITF? I have to know, man. I was thinking about you today on that certain situation, man. Khan, that's exactly what draws me away from them, man. Especially in the United States, those coins are extremely. You have to go through, you know, a little headache process to actually pick some up, and you don't know if it's a pump and dump right after that. So I tend to stay, you know, kind of to the mainstream cryptos, the ones you see at the top of the screen, 100% for sure. But as you can see, those aren't moving. Shiba's moving pretty decent, but the rest of them are just kind of, you know, bleeding off a little bit right now. I never had Kuma because it's on Uniswap. I got you, man. Tried to buy Kuma Inu, wasted $60 in Ethereum gas fees. That's what I'm saying. It's not even, that's 100% not worth it in my opinion. Not at all. At least not until February when the true Ethereum 2.0 gets released. Can you please look up Senso for me? I sure can. I 100% can, D-Grade. What's up, Ben Collins? Good to see you, my dude. Senso Coin is a in-platform currency for Sensorium Galaxy, a digital metaverse that redefines the way people interact with others and experience the arts in digital environments. Virtual currency, real utility. Senso is at the core of Sensorium Galaxy. Let's check out the price. Another one. Hold on. I ain't gonna do it. I got a little button for DJ Khaled. Another one. This one's up 51.70% today. D-Grade, are you in this, man? That thing is rocking, dude. Let me check this out real quick. Market rank 1004. Hold on, BNB, Binance, Lightning, Green Moon. Yeah, it's one of the ones that's gonna be kind of difficult to get, man. Okay, no, KuCoin right here. Pop it right over on KuCoin. I'm a fan of KuCoin. I tried to transfer some funds out of it, and it made me go through a process. So that was pretty aggravating, but I think I got it situated now, so. No, my average is 592, not worried. I'm just surprised it hasn't ripped yet. I wonder what the other crypto mining stocks are actually doing, man. Hut. Hut 8 mining. Hut not looking too bad. Not too bad at all. I'm gonna pull up the big charts here in a second. Give me 1 second. Who's that? Who's that super Chad me? What's up, L Snappy 10? L Snappy 10. Thank you very much for that $5 super chat, man. How about that Shiba? Season in the jar. What's up, my dude? How about that Shiba, man? L Snap, I don't know where you at on your Shiba if you have some, but I've been swing trading that stuff, man. Picked up some at 20 in the low 20 range, sold it at 3. Now I picked me up another bag at 23.30, and I'm still holding that bag right now. But that bag is looking pretty profitable right now. But I'm gonna go to bed tonight with a stop loss at it at 29.50. It might get triggered, it might not. I might set it at 2900 right here and just let it rip, man. Already made some nice tendies off of it. I'm not gonna be too greedy with it, but nonetheless, up 13% today. Man, I don't know if you heard about the other one, Shiba X. I know you just hopping in here. Shiba X is another coin. Where is it? Shiba X. Shiba X is up 600% on the day, my man. Looking like crypto.com might have it for all you crypto.comers. E-commerce. So I think that's really taking some steam away from the market. Yeah, Hut's a pretty big play for us over here, man. We had one of our subscribers, OMG, one of our OGs over here, really brought us onto it in the early $6 range, and it's been treating us really good, man. Let me clear out some of this browser space, man. I'm probably burning so much RAM right here. Dogecoin. Give me 1 second, guys. Just a bit of advice for all you guys that are thinking about Shiba X. That's what's gonna happen to you. L Snap says I'm up 322% on my Shiba. That's what's up, my friend. Crypto.commies. Yeah, I'm not on crypto.com either, man. For some reason my alert box is not working, man. Alert box is not working. That's what's gonna happen to you if you jump into Shiba X. Don't do it. It's all broken, Crypto Profit. My redeemed Doge is just gonna pop up the FOMO. I messed that shit up entirely, my friend. I had some cool redeems, but they all stuck on the FOMO with the Titanic flute playing. So, for the most part, let's hope we can form a little inverse head and shoulders right here on Bitcoin. Start getting back to that 57 range right here. I'm gonna go ahead and mark decent support at 56,428, somewhere within that range. That's where we hit that bottom at. Dogecoin 2224. The charts are pretty crowded up right here. I might have to start taking some of this off, especially with the all the new setup we got. It's kind of hard to read this right here. I'm gonna make a separate page just for breaking down charts and doing all that good stuff, because Doge, I got quite a few levels right here. Show you a little bit better on the 5-minute. That'll clear it up. So really a breakdown on Doge, that break underneath that 2250 range. So we're gonna have to watch it, guys. You know, will we get that bounce at 22 cents? We might cross that path tonight if we keep bleeding off right here. We are currently trading down 5.49% on the regular day, down 5.5% on ADA. I don't think that's by surprise. They're both down pretty much the same. Litecoin's, you know, starting to catch up to them, 3.67%. We saw it a little bit higher when we started the stream. As you saw, we had it around 180 the other day. XRP down quite a bit from that run up. Man, really took a hit since we started the stream too as well. I was sitting at 110, but currently at 109. So definitely keep your eye on XRP. I still think that's going to be a pretty good mover at some point this year. Also, someone in the chat popped up Blocktopia and a few other coins that we need to look for. So hopefully tomorrow is a good day, better than what we've seen today, especially for Doge. I'd really like to get back to these Dogecoin live streams. It's just there's not much to cover on it, man, right now. Just the price isn't there. The people aren't buying it. I mean, I buy the dips on it, of course, but like the true volume that we saw back in the beginning of the year is not there. And even with ADA too, I think you're getting a lot of people selling their positions that have been sitting in the red on Dogecoin, and they're like, fuck it, I'm gonna hop in Shiba. That thing's ran 350% the past couple weeks. Like, I'm gonna FOMO into that. And good luck to you. Just if you're trading Shiba right now, sleep with a stop loss on. I recommend, if you're on Coinbase Pro, or if you trade on Coinbase, get Coinbase Pro. Get your stop loss in there. Make sure you're protecting yourself, because Shiba's very volatile right now. Now, if you're sitting up 350%, great. You're not too concerned about it, but I'd still much rather have a stop loss, buy the dip on it type of thing. Cool, man. You bought some more Shiba Inu. What price point did you get in at, man? Just curious, just wondering, just gathering some sentiment, man. As you all know, I've said it earlier, I hopped back in at 2330, and I'm sitting on a pretty nice bag right now, so I'm not in the least bit concerned, but I will secure profits on it. As the same as Jasmine Coin, I'm probably gonna hop off, look to sell my Jasmine Coin, and possibly use those profits to buy some Alchemy Pay. So we'll have to see what happens. Bro, do crypto sponsored by KuCoin get listed on other exchanges? It just depends, man. I can't think of any off the top of my head right here, but I'm sure they do. Shiba Inu continues its upward climb, and experts predict that the meme coin is gearing up for a spot in the top 3 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. I mean, we saw it get as high as number 12, man. Could it hop in the top 10? Absolutely. It's up 17%. It's having a pretty good rock right here. It's actually moving right now. Let's get to that 1 minute. No, that ain't even it. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it's pumping right now, guys. So as this thing, this is how I'm kind of treating Shiba right now. As this thing continues to pump and pump and pump, I'm going to keep upping my stop losses. So if I see it hit 32 right here and continue to climb, next 1 minute candle right here, getting a pretty nice green. These nice even numbers like 3150, you might see a rejection. Let's see what happens. This thing's very hard to judge right here. Here's 3150. Will we cross it, or will we see a pretty good rejection? To me right here, if you get this rejection and you fall below this point right here, that'd be a possible buy signal. I mean, a sell signal right here. If I had the trading view chart set up, I'm pretty sure that's going to indicate a sell right here, and I'll possibly buy back in somewhere around this range. But that's why I recommend, like, go ahead and get KuCoin, get cracking. That way, you know, those margins aren't down, you know, 2-3% whenever you're trading off of Robinhood. Yes, Alex, Shiba did just take off. I was catching it. Went from 13 to 17% up on the day pretty quickly. Just really wish we would start seeing Doge moving. I want to get back to the Dogecoin live streams. That's my favorite crypto. Without a doubt, man, that is my favorite all-time crypto. ADA would be number 2 behind it. I do like SHIB. It took a while to grow, for me to grow to it. It really did, guys. At first, I thought it was a Doge knockoff. Then it kind of stuck around, and then people started adopting it. Major platforms were starting to pick it up, and I saw it was gaining traction. It was gaining people backing it, and you know, right before this major run-up, I kind of changed my mind. I told people, hey, I'm probably looking to get some, and I didn't get none when it was sitting around 777. That's the number I kept seeing on it. And, you know, I FOMO'd in later, but I still made really good profits on it. I think the first time I traded, I was up 60% after it done ran up a couple 100%. And on this time, I'm sitting up quite a bit right now. So, I mean, I really can't complain. I didn't quite miss it, but I didn't get all of it, if that makes sense. But we've been hitting on some other plays, so. Oh, look at this dude. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Mr. GP, welcome to the chat, my friend. Good to see you. Always a pleasure to see you, man. Always a freaking pleasure. Trading on Binance, lowest trading fees, I think. I didn't get it till Voyager listed it. That's what I'm saying. I stayed away. Like when Webull, honestly, when Bulldog and Westside did that Shiba interview, and I saw Webull was really pumping Shiba, that's when I started really paying attention to it. That's what really got my attention for it. And I should have picked some up back then. I was just being hard-headed, to say the least. But I still didn't miss out on the whole thing. Like, I'm still sitting tight on it. I'm not least bit concerned about it. Like I said, I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. I'm gonna set my stop loss a little bit higher probably, and then sleep like a baby. So Shiba ripping up 16.63% today. Let's see if we can hold up this little bull flag we got forming right here off the 1 minute. Let's check out the 5-minute chart. So that's why I was thinking right here, that 3150, like for swing trading, that would have probably been a sell signal right here. That was a pretty good pump. But Doge continuing to bleed off. ADA still down. We'll have to see what the rest of the week actually holds for us, guys. Yeah, for a while there, L Snap, I was too, man. You know, I was so blinded by my love for Doge that I just thought Shiba was a knockoff. And I'll admit it, man. I'll be the first to admit it. I've been seeing a lot of other content creators like completely lie on the mic. Like, I'll admit it, I did not like Shiba when it first came out. I still have some time to grow into it. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Being that I was such strong into the Doge community, I still am. It's just right now Doge has no steam. It has no volume. It has the Doge army, but what are they doing? They're not buying, you know. We don't have the volume that we saw back in the beginning of the year. I don't care how you shake it, people are swing trading it and, you know, suppressing the price on Doge, in my opinion. What's up, Todd R? Mr. Todd R, everybody. I haven't seen him in a while, man. Hopefully you're doing good, my friend. Much love, man. Thank you very much for tuning in, my brother. Hey, Matt, what are you setting your stop loss at Shiba? Depending on where we rip today, we're hitting at 3150. We could break out right here if we get this break. This break over that top of 3150. We could go on another little rip, guys. We might hit 20% here if we can get this break. Let me change this up, man. It's aggravating, man. They need to make it where you can play whatever music you want to play. That's what they need to do. Dude, we got the house in the chat tonight, man. What's up, Adam E? 3150, man. We break that. We could have a pretty nice little run right here, man. I was just getting super excited. You see Doge is continuing to drop, man. Yeah, I've been working. Whoa, hold on. Mr. Todd says, yes, I've been working and not online much. Shiba doing me good. 4x my money. Money. Glad to hear that, my dude. Glad to see you back in the chat, my friend. We'll always be here for you. Big Cadillac, man. That's too funny, man. I just saw you comment. Are we gonna get the break right here? I think we get the break. I think we get it. 3152. Let's push it. Doing well, man. I came on the stream just to touch base on some support resistance. I saw we're having a little bit of red day with some of these altcoins that we really do like over here. And then Shiba just, you know, started pumping up again. Doge is continuing to drop along with Cardano. Oh, Todd R, man. I'm not going anywhere, my friend. GP says I'm up over 100 now on Shiba. Loving it. Loving it. So if we get rejected right here, I fully see that retested at 14 exponential moving average, which is sitting at 3121. Maybe look for a bounce. it's having a really nice run up. And as you can see, that's that 3150 range. Got quite a few tops. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that line right there. 3150. I'm a little OCD, guys, so it absolutely has to be perfect. I personally think Shiba's setting up for all-time high retest, which is currently sitting at 3880. And guys, just for reference, I'm not saying all these zeros before I say 3880. It ain't. No, I'm not getting tongue twisted all night saying all these freaking zeros. But I think that's where Shiba's actually at least gonna see in the next. If I would have to guess, and that's pretty much giving a prediction of what I think it'll be some point in October. Before the end of the month, I think you'll see that retest. Now, does that mean it might retrace 30% before we get a nice bounce and start hooking back? You never know, but I kind of feel like this was a healthy pullback. I mean, you can say what you want. Look where we came from, 777 to 3540, pulled back to around the 200 range, and then been working our way up ever since. I mean, that was a decent, healthy pullback from what we had. It didn't correct and lose 80% and completely fall on its face. So I think this chart looks very bullish. You ask me, that's the 30-minute chart. I think it looks great. So I'm going to be cautious on how I play this. Like, I'm going to continue to set my stop losses to a point where I think if it dips below that point, like a dip below 3000, might be a good place, Rick, Mr. Rick, if you're still in here, where I do set my stop loss for tonight, because I think a dip below that, I might be able to pick it up somewhere around 2700, somewhere within that range, cheaper than what is currently at right now. But as of right now, 3150 is the major level for quite possibly another breakout on Shiba. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that. Pumptober, baby. You already know, man. Clown baby, you are correct, man. And that's why I'm so bent out of shape about all this, man. So what he's referring to, guys, we got the golden cross on Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and the prices are just going down, man. Like, as you can see, last time we where is it? That's the death cross right there, and look what happened. We bled all the way to 19 cents. That's when that green line, that 50-day exponential moving average, fell underneath that 200 exponential off the 4-hour chart. And then we just got the cross again, and I was expecting a big pump. You know, we hit that 27.15, but we just been, getting some hard selling pressure off of that. So I'm still expecting a better pump than what, we're not seeing anything off that golden cross. So thank you, Adam E. Hey man, is your interview tomorrow? Are you the one doing the first host contest? I'm gonna be there for all of them. I was just wondering if yours is tomorrow, my friend. Todd R, I agree. Looking great. Looking forward to the next few months. I cannot agree more, my friend. It just really, I'm gonna admit it, dude. It really effing sucks. Dogecoin's down 5.22%, man. ADA's down cheap. I'm still very bullish on ADA. It's still trading above $2 though. Last couple flash crashes we were seeing, ADA was down, all the way to $1. So good to see it holding up around 210 right here. I think that's a strong level for it, 2 to 210. And then XRP anywhere between 105 and 110, I think is a damn good buy. I mean, yeah, we saw it for 85 cents that Tuesday at flash crash, but I still think you're looking at pretty good levels right there. Snap, peace, man. I'm not gonna be too much further behind you, my friend. Thank you for coming out, showing some love, L Snap. And guys, thank y'all very much for tuning in, man. If y'all could, please hit that like button for me. I forgot to even ask. Likes one time for y'all tonight. Yeah, Mr. Rick's feeling pretty good about Alchemy Pay, Adam. And I quite honestly, dude, I like Alchemy Pay. I don't know if you were in here earlier when I preached it, but I kind of caught Alchemy Pay the first night when it was like 4 or 5 cents. It got listed to Coinbase. The next day it exploded, ran 200, almost 300%. I missed that boat. We just made some tendies off of Jasmine. I'm probably gonna end up hopping off the stream tonight, selling that Jasmine, and then looking to reinvest that into Alchemy Pay and see how that works out for me. I might leave some in Jasmine. I might just take profits off the top and then see what the rest gets me right there, my friend. I think it will make a move. Could be a big move to 40 cent range. Mr. Rick is calling for the 40 cent. The 40 cent whopper. We'll see how it goes, man. Let's get back to the 5-minute right here. Yes, Doge is just back in some bearish territory, man. It really sucks to see. I agree, Rick. I think Alchemy Pay at 6 cents is a good buy, my friend. Me personally, I think it's a damn good buy. And I think selling my Jasmine for it. Let me see where Jasmine coin's at. Last time I checked it, I was up 34%. And it's coming down 27%. So I don't know if this is a dip, man. I think it's just seeing healthy retracement right here. I probably should have sold at 55%. But I'm gonna probably take some profits here if I can get back right at 30%. I'm gonna take some profits off of Jasmine coin. Awesome out of me. Yeah, seeing that hard rejection off of Shiba, that's why I kind of told y'all, like, if y'all are swing trading off a platform where you can make really tight margins, 3157 probably would have been the sell point right here. But we'll see how far it drops. You got support at 3068 off that exponential moving average right here. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I like some Alchemy Pay, man. I really do. I missed the boat on it the first time. I'm currently loading the boat on XRP. I'm looking to get some more Litecoin. I really am. Yeah, I picked up one for Clown Baby. I'll probably pick me up a couple more. I'm off the bed. Got work in 6 hours. Yeah, I'm not gonna be too much later, man. I just wanted to come on and touch base with y'all. Being that I didn't stream last night, just wanted to come on, touch base with the community. Nah, thank you, Mr. Rick. All right, guys. So that's pretty much what we got rocking today. 56,718 on Bitcoin, up ever so slightly. The chart's about to reset, so we'll see what the new day brings for us today. Like I said, tonight I'm probably gonna set my stop loss around 29.50 to 30000 on Shiba Inu. I think a break below that level could possibly I'll probably do 2975. I'll keep it in the middle right there, and that's what I'm gonna live with. I'm not gonna be upset if it triggers during the night. Here we go, start of the new day on the crypto charts. Hopefully it brings some green tendies to everybody, man. That's what I'm really hoping for. Bear, man, I see you creeping in here later, bro. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Y'all make sure to join the Discord too. Bear drops some really good plays during the day. He is the man. Found Baby says, my man, Litecoin is undervalued. I'm gonna pick me up some more, man. I was thinking about that the other day. I'll load up on some Litecoin. Why not? I'll be there, Bear. But guys, look, there ain't much happening in the market. I mean, other than Shiba Inu and Bitcoin ripping, unless you're in the pancake swap and all the other BS, that's the only things that are really ripping right now. And I can't come on and have a good feeling about telling you to go buy a Shiba X. I can't do it, man. I think them pump 600%. So those are your value plays, top of the screen. Let's hope we start getting some pumping in the altcoin market pretty soon. But keep in mind, Bitcoin usually takes off, and then Ethereum and the other altcoins usually start to follow suit. So everything's really lagging behind. So we'll see what happens, guys. Let's hope for a good week tomorrow. A good day tomorrow, excuse me. And let's get back on this Tindy train, man. I am super excited what this week is going to bring. I think tomorrow could be a pretty big day. So once again, guys, thank you very much for dropping into another episode of Mass Market. Hopefully we'll have some good news for you tomorrow, and I'll see each and every one of y'all tomorrow night. Thanks for all the love, support, dropping the likes, all the love tonight, man. Greatly appreciate it, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.